For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns, and I'd like to take a look at one of the around-the-horn NASDAQ scalp trading setups from Monday, January 7th, 2013. This is in response to a question that I received from a subscriber who's just getting his feet wet with this stuff. Wants to know how do you handle the spreads on the higher dollar stocks, so the 50 plus crowd, I guess you'd call them. Just so happens we had one in ONXX, Onyx Pharmaceuticals. This was a fastball setup, the primary entry 81.65 with a scalp target at 82. Alt 1 was 81.05 with an 81.37 target, and Alt 2 was an 80.20 entry with an 80.50 target. It's really not that hard. Doesn't really matter that these have a higher dollar value. Your question specifically referenced the fact that you were trading 200 shares to get your feet wet doing this. That's fine. What I'd like to do is just set up the trade exactly the way that you're doing it and show you what happened when the market was trading right around that price. So let's go and have a look at the live trade, and hopefully that's going to answer your question about how to set these up and trade them. Here we see that I am posted at 81.25. The market is 81.26 by 81.36. I got this one a couple seconds late, so I didn't see an 81.20 price up there on the inside, or I would have posted right there, but I'm willing to take a nickel slip on an entry on an $81 stock. Now let's take a look at how the trade plays out. You saw I got the fill on the bid side of the market, and in a few minutes here we will either take a quick stop out on this one, or we will hopefully be looking to take a profit up at 81.50. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to load up the order ahead of time. That was something else that you asked about, was automating these. So I'm going to put this in as if it was a bracket order. If I had placed a bracket order, it would have automatically put my exit in. But in this case, I'll just load it up manually. And what I'll do on the stop loss side of the market is I'll just take my stop if I break down through this level of support and resistance that defined the entry. So here we see my order is live at 81.50, and we can just see how this plays out. Here we are a few minutes later. We still see a big spread, still nothing to worry about. We are looking at ranges that the stock is known to travel in, right? So that's what this whole NASDAQ scalp trading service is about. We had an entry on this one on sort of an intraday switch hitter pullback, and at this point, even though we're spread 23 by 37, I'm not worried about it on an $81 stock. I'm just going to sit back and wait for the market to move to my price and take me out. One thing to consider here is that if you are automating these orders, what you're going to miss out on is a possible extension to the next level on the trading plan. Would be entirely feasible, for instance, to see a move to 81.65 or even as high as 82 just moments after this one gets to the profit target. And as we see, that's exactly what is happening. We're seeing an extension beyond that initial target, and we're out of the market. But since your question specifically referenced the ability to automate some of these trades, or automate them a little bit anyway, I thought I would try to answer it in that context. So I hope that that clears up any questions that you might have had. This video is being posted for all the subscribers to look at because I think that was a very good question. If you have any other questions, email me, adrian@traderinsight.com. And if you're not already a subscriber and would like a risk-free look at the trading service, just go ahead and click on the link. There are no strings attached, and the landing page for that link gives you lots and lots of information about me and about the trading service in particular. So for TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns. I hope you're having a great trading day, and go ahead and check back real soon for more videos.